From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Pennsylvania. I'm student meteorologist here with the Penn State Campus Weather Service for your Thursday afternoon forecast. Taking a live look out here at Beaver Stadium, clear skies, a few puffy clouds just beginning to pop up in our area, but other than that, a really beautiful day. You can see we have our current temperatures right now sitting right at 66 degrees. Feels like temperatures are around 66 as well, with our dew points at 61. Visibility is at 10 miles and our winds are calm. Taking a look at some of the temperatures around the state, 71 degrees in Harrisburg, 66 here in State College, 71 down in Johnstown, and 62 up in Bradford. Looking towards the eastern half of the state, 70 degrees in Philly right now, and 68 degrees in Allentown. As we look at the rest of the northeast region, we can see that it's a bit cooler up towards the north, 62 degrees in Syracuse and 59 in Burlington. Now, yesterday we did have a bit of a cold front boundary move through the area. You can see that most of the eastern portion of the state is cooler than yesterday at this time. Allentown's 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday, and State College is at 7 degrees cooler than yesterday as well. And I think a lot of us really felt that this morning as we got up. Now, taking a look at our current satellite, we can see there was some fog over in the northern regions of the state earlier today, and also a bit of cloud cover towards the east. Here in State College, though, as we saw on our live cam at Beaver Stadium, not a cloud in the sky, a few clouds just starting to pop up over down here on the ridges near Johnstown and Altoona area. Taking a look at precipitation, there's not really anything going on in the state at the moment, but you do see a bit of showers over here, and those are associated with the system that's going to be impacting us tomorrow. Let's take a look at that right now. So we kind of have our low pressure centered right around here, and we have this really long cold front extending down from it with a warm front extending eastward from that low as well. And this is what's going to be bringing us some showers and thunderstorms. Today, Minnesota area is in line for a couple of showers and storms, so we'll see how that pans out for tomorrow for us. So taking a look at our future weather, as we head through the day today, highs around the state getting up into the upper 70s, 78 here in State College, 75 Williamsport, 78 Harrisburg, 83 degrees over in Pittsburgh, 79 Franklin, and 77 up in Erie. As we continue through the evening tonight, winds will kind of turn east off of the ocean, and we'll get a lot of flow with a lot of moisture coming into our area. And this is going to bring some sort of misty conditions, especially for the eastern portions of the state. Staying a little bit drier in the west with a little less cloud cover. Lows getting down into the 60s and lower 70s. As we come through the day tomorrow, we see a few storms hit us earlier in the day, but the main story is this big cold front that's going to be hitting us later on. This is at 8 p.m. tomorrow evening when the front should start making its way into the state. And as we head through the day, through the evening, into Saturday at 12 a.m., then we will be expecting the front to be impacting the central portion of the state. That front will move out by Saturday morning and will issue in some much cooler temperatures for Saturday morning, down to 56 here in State College, 55 Williamsport, 56 Scranton, 54 up in Erie, and 48 degrees, some 40s for this time of year is a bit low up in Bradford. Taking a look, this is the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and anywhere where you see this yellow, we are in a slight risk for severe storms. So that's definitely some gusty winds, and especially with a lot of the rain we've had lately, a lot of the trees are already a little bit loose in the ground, so we could expect some trees down as well as some down power lines possible with these storms tomorrow as they head through the area. Down in the south and eastern portion of the state, we're in the green, which is a marginal risk for severe storms. So definitely not as big of a threat down there, but anywhere in this yellow section, be on the lookout tomorrow for some storms. So now let's take a look at your forecast. For today, highs of around 77 degrees here in State College with mostly clear skies, winds out of the south at 5 miles per hour. As we head through the evening, lows getting down to around 64 degrees. Partly cloudy skies with, again, that little bit of mist possible, and winds will be out of the south 5 to 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow, those storms will be starting to impact us. Look at these winds, 8 to 11 miles per hour. That's a constant wind speed of 8 to 11 miles per hour. Gusts could be potentially higher, especially with some of those severe storms in the afternoon. Highs here in State College getting up to around 79 degrees. And your 7-day forecast, we can see after these storms move through, we really reach a cool down here. Saturday and Sunday for the weekend look to be partly cloudy and sunny with your high temperatures in the upper 60s, so some really beautiful conditions. Your lows for the weekend getting down into the lower 50s. And as we head to the beginning of next week, a little bit of a warm up again, and maybe another wet pattern on the way for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Anthony Prusel. Have a great day.